लर्न इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग थ्रू हिंदी। हिंदी के माध्यम से अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखें। I wanna plus verb. The word wanna is grammatically incorrect. It is equivalent to want to or want a. Its combination with the word I helps you to communicate something you want to do. I wanna plus क्रिया। शब्द wanna व्याकरणिक रूप से गलत है। यह want to या want के बराबर है। शब्द I के साथ इसका संयोजन आपको कुछ ऐसा कहने में मदद करता है जो आप करना चाहते हैं। Listen and repeat the sentences. वाक्यों को सुनें और दोहराएं। I wanna meet you someday. I wanna buy this dress. I wanna apply for this job. I wanna hear that song. I wanna talk. I wanna speak English fluently. I wanna apply for this post. I wanna know. I wanna go with them. I don't wanna argue with you. I wanna buy these shoes. I wanna start a new business. I wanna marry her. I don't wanna be sad anymore. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna order some food. I wanna join them. I wanna take a nap. I wanna order a drink. I don't wanna lose you. I don't wanna disturb you. I don't wanna bully anyone. I want a cup of coffee. I wanna pee. I don't wanna waste my time. I don't wanna run away. I don't wanna do this anymore. I don't wanna give up. I don't wanna lose control. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna hurt you. I don't wanna judge anyone.